all, Bridget Bartlett here. I'm a local business marketing, training, and support specialist with Builderall. Welcome to step 4 of our funnel challenge. So far, we've created our blueprint, pages, and email list. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create our membership areas to restrict access to our upsell and downsell products. To do that, we need to access our sales funnel inside the Cheetah Builder. We can do that by clicking Enter inside the Builderall dashboard. And we need to select our sales funnel. So let's go ahead and click Edit Site. And the first thing we want to do is create Members Area. So we'll click here. And we need to give our Members Area a name. So we'll call this Lead Magnet Member. And then I always put lock to remind me that this is the lock for this page. Okay, so now we need to select the color of our lock. So we can do that by clicking here and we'll just choose a color. So let's just go ahead and choose red. We can also just add this as the description. And now we need to choose how do we want to release this page, okay? So we have two options. We can automatically grant access to the members area, or we can release the page manually or upon payment. So since this is our lead magnet that we're giving away for free, we can just automatically grant access to that membership page. Now we can allow them to enter a token, log in, or we can choose both. It's easier and best practice to choose login, but we can talk about tokens and using both at another time. Now we need to select the page that we want to give access to. So since this is our lead magnet, we want to go ahead and select our lead magnet membership page. And this is why organizing your pages the way that we did is so important. Now we need to select the main page of our members area. Now this page in our funnel is going to be the thank you page because the thank you page has access to all the members areas, okay? So let's go ahead and choose thank you. And now we need to select the list inside Mailing Boss that we created to put all of our leads. So let's go ahead and choose our list, which we called Upsell Downsell Funnel. And we can click Save. But I do want to point out to you, if we did have an e-learning that we wanted to use to give access to, it would show up here and then we could select it here. So let's go ahead and click Save since we don't have an e-learning. And now we've created our first membership area. Okay, now remember we have 4 of them. So we have 3 more that we need to create. So let's go back up to Create Members Area and create our second membership area. And this one is actually going to be the front end member area, okay? So let's give this a title. And again, we're gonna call it lock because we are locking down that page. So let's choose a different color for our member area. And this one we'll just choose blue. And we can add the description here, which will be just the same. And now we need to decide how we want to give them access to the page. We don't want to automatically grant access because this is the first item that we are asking them to purchase. So we don't want to release it until they have actually purchased it. So we can click here for release upon payment. And again, we can choose to give them access with a token, a login, or both. Let's just go ahead and ask them to log in. And we need to choose the front end membership area page. So we'll go ahead and select that. And again, we want to select the main page, which has all of the access to our membership areas. So we'll choose the thank you page. And we don't need to add it to a Mailing Boss list because we've already added them. So once they register the first time in our list, we don't need to add them again. So we'll just go ahead and leave that as is, and then we'll click Save. Now we have our second members area, okay? So let's go ahead and we'll create another membership area. And this one is going to be the Upsell member area. So we'll go ahead and add that to our title. Again, we want to remind ourselves that it is a lock for this page. Let's choose a different color here. So we'll just choose green. And again, this is a product that we want them to purchase. Actually, let's go ahead and enter the description there. We want them to purchase this product, so we want to release it upon payment. So we'll go ahead and select the manual payment option. And we want them to log in to get access. So we'll go ahead and select that as well. And we need to select the upsell member area page. Okay, so to do that, we need to choose Upsell Membership Page. And again, we want to choose the thank you page so they get access to all of the members' areas. We don't need to add them to a mailing boss list because we already did. And we'll click Save. And you see we have our third membership area here. We got one more, so let's go ahead and create that. And this one is going to be the downsell member area. Okay, so we'll go ahead and I will paste that in here from our list. We'll go ahead and paste that in the description. Let's choose a different lock for this page, and we'll go ahead and choose purple for this one. And again, this is something we want them to purchase to get access to. So we'll go ahead and select manual payment. And we will ask them to log in rather than a token or both. So we'll just go ahead and select login. And now we need to choose the downsell member area page. So that's this one here. And we want to select our thank you page. So we'll choose that here. We don't want to add them again to any lists and mailing boss. So we'll go ahead and click save. So now that we've created all of our membership areas, and you can see them and access them here, if you need to edit them at any time, you can simply click here to edit. But there's one more thing that we need to address, okay? So let's go over here to Site Members, because this is the area that has all the information for your membership areas, okay? So we need to go to Automatic Emails. And you'll see that we don't have any themes created. So we need to create a theme for our emails that they're going to receive regarding our membership area. So let's just call this Upsell Theme, and we'll click Save. So now we need to edit the theme. So we'll simply click here to expand our options, and you'll see this is what the email is going to look like when they receive it. Okay, when they've just registered into the membership area, they're going to receive this email, and we want to customize this to be congruent with our brand, and we have lots of options here. So if we wanted to change this builderall and we wanted to say upsell, we could do that here, and of course you can make it bold. You can change the colors. You can do lots of things here. We have these auto tags here, so this is going to capture the username. This is really important. You can add any information here that you need them to have. You can also change this to be your name here. And then you can put your business information here. If you want to add any of these tags to your email, you could do that as well. So lots and lots of options, and I definitely recommend customizing this to be congruent, because once they register, you want them to feel like they have not registered into something they're going to get a bunch of spam. They are still with you. They are still with your brand. So once we have customized this and designed this how we want it to, we can simply click Save. But there's one more thing that we need to do to connect these emails to our membership area. So let's go to Site Settings, and you'll see here Automatic Email Members Theme. Now you see right now this is empty because we did not have a theme created. So let's go ahead and select the theme that we just created, and we want to save that. And anytime that you make any adjustments or edits to the global elements, you always want to republish your website. So in this video, I showed you how to create and connect your membership areas to restrict access to our upsell and downsell products. In the next video, I'm going to show you how to create those products in the Super Checkout system and set them up to release automatically upon purchase. So until then, go build it with Builderall.